Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 19. General Settings. In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at the general settings, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select General. Here you need to enter your site title, tagline for this, in a few words, explain what this site is about. Then WordPress address URL, site address URL, administration email address, membership. Check this box or not to allow registration. Next is New User Default Role. From here you can select Subscriber, Contributor, Author, Editor, Administrator. Then select Site Language, your time zone, your date format, time format, select when your week starts on. You can also view documentation on date and time formatting and finally save changes. So this is how you can do your site setting in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 20. Writing Settings. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at the writing settings, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.